Hey everybody, tonight I'm going to show you how I use some of my home canned kidney beans, and what I'm doing is making a quick and easy taco salad. So first of all, you got to get a thing for your hand or it's too hot. First of all, I've got the chips on the plate and I've fried up some hamburgers, super simple. Some people like to put the hamburger directly on the chips. But I actually like to put the lettuce down first. I don't know why, but I do. So you take the chips, you put a bunch of lettuce on there. This is looking fantastic. It tastes really good. It's super easy. Because we're going bowling tonight, so I want something that we can eat and finish watching Hunt for Red October. And it's kind of a cool show because we actually know some of the people that are on that because of the being in the Navy. That's kind of neat. So anyway, we're going to put about a bag of lettuce. This will be for 3 salads. Then, you just pile it with good stuff. So here, I'm going to put the hamburger on it. You know, and this is probably one of those ways that you could end up using that canned hamburger, you know, that I don't like. I could probably pour it out in this pan and fry it up and then put it on the salad because, you know, it'd be a good way to get it used up. Anyway, so I'm making 3 salads here. And we've made these for years. Sorry, I got the pan right in front of the camera. You guys missed that. We've had these for years. Sometimes you do them really up pretty good. Other times you can be a little bit, I don't know, more sparing with them, depending on what you have. And here are those kidney beans that I did in tomato juice, so adds a nice flavor. And put those on there. Yum. And see, I don't feel like I need to heat these up because I know that I process these with a proper approved method. So a lot of people will do their beans for 10 minutes, but then, you know, every time you cook something or you process something that you feel like you need to process for 10 minutes before you eat it to make sure there's no botulism, well, then you're going to get rid of a lot of nutrients that way. So I don't like to do that. So there's those home canned kidney beans. Yum. And now I'm going to put some cheese on top. Super yummo. Right there. I like a lot of cheese. And then we like things kind of spicy. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do next. So I take Thousand Island dressing and mix it with some salsa. And this is salsa that my son brought home. So, you know, it's not home canned, but that's fine. We got some store-bought stuff. That's no big deal. So I'm going to get a little measuring container. And I don't measure any of this. It's just kind of like whatever I feel like at the time. So there's some Thousand Island dressing. And that just gives it kind of a zippy flavor. And then some salsa. And of course you can use home canned. And then I mix that up, and it kind of gives it a nice flavor without it being so super hot for people that may not like it that way. Put some of that on the top of each of these salads. I'm going to have to make some more. There we go. Add a little of this salsa. And you can zip it up if you want by adding more salsa. Okay. Okay, there's that. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream on it. Dollop of sour cream on top. Oops. Missed that one. It's all right. And now I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno peppers. because I have a few left in the jar. I know I'm going to use these up. So I'm just going to put those on top. That's all the rest of my peppers. And there you go. There is a quick and yummy taco salad. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.